not what you think. Popeye Newsling, Young King, 1 yard, bless.
Good morning, Popeye. Grandma watch Popeyes every morning and every night.
What am I think? What am I think? You're listening to Popeye Newsling.
Yo, I'm on my way. Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah.
Please activate Bluetooth.
Use links.
Greetings viewers and subscribers. Are you coming to Jamaica or are you already in Jamaica? Do you need a good tour service? There it is, right there. It's Marlon's Unforgettable Tour. Contact Marlon for all your airport pickups and drop-offs and all your excursions. And when you link Marlon, tell him that Popeye sent you. I am sure that you're gonna be getting a discount. You can call or WhatsApp Marlon at 876-503-6764. That's 876-503-6764. You can also follow Marlon on Instagram or on Facebook. Marlon's Unforgettable Tour is fully endorsed by Popeye Newslinks. Check it out. Now, in today's journey, we are still in the hills of St. Catherine. We have left Ginger Ridge and we are heading towards Old Harbour. Continue to sit back, continue to relax, and continue to enjoy this journey with me. Now, later on today, we are going to be coming live. We are going to be talking about Mrs. Chantel Blake McCullough. It's scheduled for 6 p.m. but I might have to push it back a little bit because I'm putting some things together. Stand by for that. Now, in this first story, this one took place last night, Friday, January 12th, about 7 o'clock. It took place at Ginger Peace in the Betheltown police area in the parish of Westmoreland. We are told that a 2-apartment boardhouse owned by a lady was seen on fire. As a result, the police and the fire department, they were contacted. A unit from the Montego Bay fire station responded and they were only able to do cooling down operation because by the time they reached, the house and all its contents, valued at almost 1 million Jamaican dollars, were completely destroyed by fire. No one was injured. Sad indeed. Now, over in Savannah Lamar, that was the scene at Presley's Garage on Barclay Street in Savannah Lamar, Thursday night, January 11. It is suspected that a pile of garbage that was lit earlier in the evening may have caused that fire. We are told that many car parts, to include engine, transmission, and other parts that were in the workshop, were destroyed by fire. A unit from the Savannah Lamar Fire Brigade, they were quick on the scene and they were able to prevent the vehicles that were parked at the garage to be repaired from burning. Sad indeed. Now, this next incident, it took place yesterday afternoon, Friday, January 12th, about 4 o'clock. It took place at the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay in the parish of St. James. We are learning that a guy, his name is Colin Myrie. He is 22 years old and he's living at Cambridge in the parish of St. James. Our information is that Colin, he was seen by agents at the airport withdrawing money from one of the foreign currency ATMs. His actions aroused their suspicion and the agents, they approached him and requested a search. Colin was searched and 2 GO2 Visa debit cards with the names of persons living overseas, as also 580 United States dollars were taken from him. As a result, Colin, he was taken into police custody and he'll be charged for possession of access device. In this next story, I carried a story last weekend about an incident that took place at Shrewsbury Lagoon in the Witham area of Westmoreland. That incident took place last week, Thursday afternoon, about 3 o'clock. I told you that a guy, he's popularly known as Fire. He and his girlfriend, they were walking past a so-called Dan named Bossed house when there was an argument. It is alleged that the girlfriend, she took a knife from her bag and gave it to her boyfriend Fire, who used the knife to inflict a serious wound to hoodlum Bossed abdomen. Bossed, he was rushed to hospital where he was admitted in a serious condition. Well, the girlfriend, she was picked up by the police and she has since been charged. Her name is Shanoy Faulkner. She is 33 years old and she's said to be a poultry farmer of Shrewsbury Lagoon. She was charged for aiding and abetting the offense of wounding with intent, and she'll be going to the courts shortly. Her spouse, 49-year-old Kevin Reed, also known as Fire or Rasta Kevin, he is wanted by the police. Now, over in the parish of Manchester, you might have seen or heard about that article in the papers. It is titled, "A Guy Called Biggs is Wanted for Attempt Murder." You see over here, so? You see over here, so? We don't just call a male a man willy-nilly. Got it? So, it's titled, "A Guy Called Biggs is Wanted for Attempt Murder." The article went on to say, 30-year-old Romain Powell, also known as Biggs, he's wanted for the December 27 attack on his baby mother at Tophill district in the Kendal police area of Manchester. Biggs, he used a machete to inflict some serious wounds to his baby mother, who we are told is still battling for life in hospital. Biggs, he has been on the run since then. Now, if you look on your screen, there is a photo of woman's Trent Biggs. We are told that Biggs, he used to ride a bike and deliver food in the Mandeville and surrounding areas. We are also told that woman's Trent Biggs, he has been sending threats that the next time him see him baby mother, he's gonna be finishing the job of killing her. Look on the punk face good. Please, may I beg you, if you have any idea where that waste boy is, please pass on the information to the police. I am told that if the lady survives, she'll be having some deformities. Waste boy Biggs, waste boy Biggs, your day is coming. Remember me tell you. Now, this next incident, it took place early yesterday morning, Friday, January 12th, about 4:30. It took place at Bloomsglove Way in the Reedspen area of Portmore in the parish of St. Catherine. We are learning that a man, he's said to be in his early 50s. He was at his home inside his bedroom when hoodlums opened a barrage of gunshots at him from outside. The hoodlums, they then made good their escape. It was then realized that the man, he was shot. He received gunshot wounds to his chest, his left hand and his left foot. The police, they were called and they rushed with the man to a nearby hospital where he was treated and admitted. We are told that the bullets, they were fired through the man's bedroom window. When the police processed this crime scene, 15 spent shells were recovered from the scene. So this was a targeted attack. The mayhem. Now, in this next story, I carried a story last week, Friday, January 5. It was about an incident that took place about 3 o'clock the same morning. That young man on your screen, his name is Shakim Leslie, but he was popularly known as Tino. Tino was 24 years old and he lived at Shantytown in the Paradise Norwood area of St. James. Tino, he was employed as a scullion at Margaritaville in Montego Bay. We are told that Tino, he left work early in the morning and he went to the Gully bus stop in Montego Bay to get a taxi to go home when a group of hoodlums shot and killed him. We are told that